Alright, Kenny. 2014 iron. Now it's only, hell, I don't know what time it is. Let me look. It's, what's that say? 11/18. January the 5th. So, I've done plowed snow once. And it's supposed to keep this up the rest of the day. So, what the hell am I going to do with all this snow piled up? Good Lord. It's blowing. I don't know if you can see the snow in the camera or not, but we're going to get our butts kicked. We are going to get our butts kicked. Susie, you see what you're missing? Here in the beautiful state of Illinois, Westville, Illinois. Ain't this beautiful? There's Jerry and Sherry's house, if you can see it over there. But, there goes the popo. There goes the popo. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do with all this snow. And look at my poor tree. It's even got the blaws. The wind's starting to blow. You're right, Susie. Why would you want to come up here? Good Lord. Send me some more pictures of Florida, would you? Make me warmer. Mama won't even come outside. Becky won't come outside. I'm the only nut in the state of Illinois, I think. But anyway, I'm going to go upload this and get it on YouTube and get it back to you. Well, wait a minute. We'll see if we can see Mama in here. Step inside here, man. Hey, Mama. Come say hi to Kenny and Susie. Did you hear that? She said, oh, shit. Are you dressed? You got clothes on?
No, I ain't got clothes on.
Say, come over here.
Kenny and Susie.
Come a little closer because I want to grab her and throw her out in the snowdrift.
Yeah, I'll kick your ass too. Hi, Kenny and Susie.
Alright, I'm going to upload this and I get it on YouTube as soon as possible. And then about a couple, 3 hours, I'll do another one and we'll do an update. Bye now.